Okay, so now that we have the helmet, the brow trim in, it's all painted. We got the teeth trim, the mesh. Now we're going to do the lenses. So right here, we have all the lenses cut out. Obviously this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 helmets. And then we have what I make, these little straps or whatever you want to call them, plastic. And I make those so that the lenses will goes in them. So basically you're going to go in between them just like this. It's going to go like that. And then you're going to have one big one up top. So you're going to have 3 of them. Okay? So now, I glued them together, the 3 pieces. So now I bent 2 of them down and bent 2 of them up. So if you look at the helmet, you can see it caves in here and then it sucks up here. So when you do it this way, it's the reverse. It comes up here and it goes in here. So the one that curves up, I'm going to put that one right there. And when I put it in, I'm not going to put that piece into the eye. I'm going to put it so that you can't see it. And then the other one that curves in, I'm going to do the exact opposite. I'm going to put it like that. Actually, the curved in one will be right here. Again, I won't put it too far up. I'll put it right there because I have this whole area right here where the lens will be going. Alright, so let me glue them in. So I just put a little bit of Zap-A-Gap, if I have any left. We are out. So now we're going to glue these down. Put some super glue on it. Put the up one on the cheek part. Let it set for a second. Start gluing the other one. There's the down one. Right here. Again, I don't want to get anywhere near the eye. Get that side in. Keep it off the eye so it can't be seen. Now once they're dry and they're good, then I can adjust them, push them in or down to make them fit. And we're going to put these right in here, so we're going to bend these just a little bit. I'm going to make it so it fits just like that. And again, once they're down, then we can sit there and once they glue real hard, we can bend them just a little bit. So we'll let that sit and glue for a minute. And when we're done, we'll put the lens on. Okay. Awesome. Alright, so I'm making sure these are bent at the right angle right here. So this is what it's going to look like when it's done, I'm just going to have these two holding the bottom, the top one holding the top one, and I'll show you how to put it in. So the lenses are already formed. So you put the two in here, and you bring this one up, just level it out. So when you look at it, there's really no gap or anything. Do the same thing with the other side. Push it in. Lift this side up. Put the lens through. Push it in. Level it out, and there you go. There you have lenses. So if anything happens to these lenses, they get scratched, they get dirty, you can easily take it out, and then you can clean them up and put them right back in. Or if they get scratched or can't use them anymore, then you can just switch them out with some more. Obviously I have enough for 4 more. So there's those lenses. Now we just need to clean the teeth out and then paint this whole helmet up. Put the brow trim in, put the neck trim in, and then this helmet will be done. Oh, and then the aerators, and this helmet will be done. This helmet basically just needs for the frown to be completely dry. Take the tape off, put a neck trim in, put a bottom screw in, and then that's it. Oh, and then the aerators, and that's it. And then cleaning up just a little bit of the paint.
What about lens color on Trooper helmets?
The lens color is green, as you can see.
On all of them?
All of them. It's either black or green. The green are for hero, the black or green are for stun. Alright, and then over here, we put the belt on, and then we went ahead and put the straps in. We're just waiting for it to dry another few minutes. And then once it's dry, then we'll go ahead and do the tank strap, or the codpiece strap. And then we have to bend these. These are a little bit too flat, so we're going to bend them in just a little bit. Just give a little bit of a curve, just like that, for this one. So we'll just massage it with the hands. And then excuse me, all we got to do is wait for this to dry, and then we'll start doing the ab buttons, coloring them. And then we have the thermal detonator. Just put that in the back, and then all that's left, and then the torso will be done. We just need to do the snaps for these right here. So basically all you're going to do with these is you're just going to come up here. So as long as the swoop goes to the front, you're going to put where this elastic is, you're going to put the black elastic right on it. So you're going to line it up as close as you can for the so you're going to line up the elastic as close as you can to the shoulder bell. You're going to figure out where you need that hole at, and then that's where you can put the shoulder. So you don't want it to be out real far. You want it to be in as close as you can get it to the elastic. So as close as you can get it, like right there, that's where you want it. Okay, so that'll be the next thing. Let this dry, do the tank strap, and then we'll do the snaps for the shoulder belt. And again, I'm going to be bending it over at least twice, so there'll be 3 pieces of material that's going to be in there to keep this from unraveling prematurely. If it does unravel, then you can easily just pull this off and make a new one. And then there you see how we did it. I'll probably have to throw some more E6000 in here and glue it to where it's a little bit closer, kind of like on this side. And then just kind of brings it in just a little bit. Just enough when you put the biceps in there, then it's really tight. This is tight around the bicep. And then the bicep, the bigger part, goes right in this area, and then the 2 shims, one will be the front, one will be the back.